Hey there guys, this is Joe with LVV. So I came up to Pennsylvania to see my parents, and I keep on hearing water constantly just going and going and going. They tell me there's no hot water for the kids to take a shower. So then I come in and this thing is just running. So I go downstairs into the crawl and I notice that this pipe here, which there was the pressure relief right here, is just kind of just spewing water the whole time. Just a little bit. So these things have gaskets in them. So it must have gotten spongy throughout the years and then just started leaking. So we're gonna put a new one. All our parts are in that bag right there. I'm gonna use some shark bites. Of course, this doesn't shut off. So we're gonna cut this off. These gate valves are horrible. We should put the ball valve in there. So we're gonna cut it here and here. I'm gonna put a ball valve, a shark bite ball valve right here. All right, so we can isolate this here. So if there's ever a problem with this, we can just disconnect the electric, the water, and then take it out. And then I'm going to put a new relief valve, a couple shark bites, and we'll be all set. So we're just going to cut this thing off, clean up the pipe a little bit, and then put a new ball valve on. So we shut off the water, we drained it a little bit. Should be no water in here now. And then we'll change this up. It's funny how things just always break at the right time or the wrong time. But this must have been running, I think, for a while, because I went downstairs and I saw water underneath their vapor barrier. And that was from the condensation from the hot and the cold. I know we're in the winter time right now. So it is what it is. You know what? Thank God I'm here. All right, that's one. Let's get the other side. There you go. So we're gonna bring these pipes back to life a little bit. This is a 400 grit. I want to make sure it's nice and clean for the shark bite. That's it. Go. All right, see, nice and clean, no burrs, basic clean pipe here. And now we're going to put on the shark bite. Say open and close. And it should be good. Perfect.
Thank God.
See that?
You got all the good stuff. She's
That's
right
my mom in the
Look,
background.
she's curious.
All right, there you go.
Are you seeing what Uncle Joe?
So we just put a little bit of this sealing tape on it. And now we're just going to get this a little tighter. Maybe one more pass. So we installed the pressure relief. We put a shark bite to reconnect the two pipes together. Looks good. It's going down into the hole down there with ease. We put a new ball valve on. No sweating. You don't have to do any sweating. They have some of those crimping machines and stuff like that, but you know, these work just as good. Okay, without a $3,000 investment on the crimping tool, which the crimping tool is good, but if you don't want to drop that $3,000 onto something, you always could just do some shark bites. So this is all good. We're gonna turn the water on, test for some leaks. So I'll have a new ball valve. I'll have a new relief that was leaking. We should be all good.